Welcome back and continuing the news. Licensee holders and prospective licensees will find it easier to do business with the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission BGLC thanks to changes to some of its operations. Project manager at the BGLC, Dwayne Waters, says the changes have been implemented after consultations with stakeholders. Now, as a result, applicants no longer have to physically appear at the BGLC to get documents processed.
We are looking to improve the efficiencies of our processes, which will then translate to greater efficiency for the stakeholders, our customers. And the second part of that, we will now have an online portal that will facilitate applications, amendments, renewals, without having to come to the offices of the BGLC. Given that we are now somewhat live, or we have gone live as of December the 2nd, we are reviewing some enhancements to chart our roadmap, roll out additional features.
Big